channel. Today I will work again in garage, wiring, covers, etc. I'm in a process of doing many different things. Nothing ready enough for make a video, so because of that is some delays, because I'm waiting for this piece, second piece, third piece, fifth piece. I don't want to start like a next thing, but I have enough. Okay, so looks like that, but today will be garage and area of battery box. Yes, I have to do also bathroom. Everything is nearly done and a lot to do on every part. Okay, so let's start it. Hopefully today we have sun and it's a weekend, not like usually when we are in work, so I can do a few things. Those last days was terrible with weather. What I think maybe I have to move this battery monitor shunt higher, just to allow some wiring go on the bottom and to and I'm not pretty sure if I can sit this on this section. It will be a bit higher, or use piece of such a angle and turn it on the side. Let's try it. One is do like that, and second of course it will be chopped like that. I don't know. Just wires will go not on this. It will some space. We have some space. Okay, let's keep it with this idea, or maybe not. It should be shorter, but I don't want to cut, because when I cut it next day and not use it next day, I will need longer one. Who knows? I found ratchet. Whew. Will be faster. different idea how to do it. This piece will be attached by screw. Okay, it will be not removable every day, yes. I have same idea to do it with this cover. I have same idea to do it with this cover. First I wanna fit with hinges, but come on, when you open it, I don't know, it's not good idea at all. So the second was to, even I bought these hinges to just fit by just screw, but if you wanna do anything you have to unscrew it. Is also not a good idea. Let's say, I think later on with reef nuts, good, just bolt bang bang and that's it. But it's still, I'm not pretty sure if I don't need kind of latch or lock here. To tell the truth, I don't know why I make such a S shape on this heating duct. Doesn't make a sense. So I will try to check if this shelf is straight, because it's not properly screwed, and then make a new hole and move this pipe from here to this place. Will be one elbow less, so it will be better. Okay, let's check it again. Will be faster if it will be sharp. Okay, let's try to, it's too many things. Let's try, not try, like Yoda said, do or not do, it's no tries. Okay, fit, I screw, okay, it was discussed where to fit it, or maybe that, maybe like that, or even better, yeah, like that. Because right now, if install like that, I don't see the LED light, so maybe like that I have to find any piece of aluminium. Why make something simpler if you could complicate it? Okay, and here's the frame for charger. Okay, just holes, bolt here, screw here, solve. We make kind of progress today. All stuff except solar controller. I not have enough time to fit the solar right now, so I don't fit the solar controller either. It's fitted. It's not connected by wires, but it's fitted. From the mechanical point of view, covers are done. No catches, no latches, or no like locks, but it's done. Right now I'm waiting for terminal looks for proper size of wiring. I have maybe 100 of them, but no matter how I looking, I'm short 1, 2 or 5, depend what kind of wire. And I think tomorrow I will finish, or maybe Monday I will finish this area and will be only waiting for terminal looks. So thanks for watching. Any comments will be appreciated.